broke on my last $1. Nobody give me nothing. I don't know why, cause I ain't telling. How could you hate me? How could you hate me? Why would you hate me? Oh, cause I made it. How could you hate me? How could you hate me? Why would you hate me? Oh, cause I made it. I'm the one taught you how to make all them plays. I'm the one slipping the trap for the day. I'm the one told you don't stay in your way.
Right, the police is there. Ready? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyler back with another video, man. Right, today is a very special day, man. We are going to get a different exhaust system on my car. Right, people might obviously comment, and right, the exhaust I have, I do not regret anything to do with Hornet exhausts. I don't deny it. They are good makes and they're good exhausts for the start. But every time you get something, you always go for something better. You would always do that. You would always go get something, then you'll like it, and then sooner or later you want something better, and then better and better. So we are currently, oh, if I zoom in, we are currently at Fast Lane Styling, specialist in custom built stainless steel exhaust systems, right? So the bit that's good about that is the fact that it's custom built and it's not too shabby. So I'm quite excited for this. Let's see how it gets on. Obviously I've arrived too early. It's supposed to open at 8:30. I'm here at 8. So I'll let you know. So please leave a like after this video. Please subscribe. It does mean a lot. Obviously I haven't been focusing this much. It's because obviously I'm trying to figure out what content to put, and I'll admit I'm struggling, but we will get there. But yeah, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the rest of the video. Right, we're out. Well, that shit's hard, isn't it? Oh shit, man! Nice, bro.
Do it again. Can I see it?
Oh,
Aaron, come here, do it.
mate, that smoked out, man. Right, the police is there. Ready? Woo! guy's gonna let me slow down a bit. Right, that is mad. I felt that bit, man. I felt. Yes, this is the next day. I tried doing some videos and stuff like that. I've done, obviously, met with my brother and my friends, showing my vehicles and stuff like that. Obviously, the clips that I've obviously got for this video is the most I can do. Hopefully it's good. Obviously, please leave a like and subscribe. And I hope you like my content, and we'll see more videos of my car and what journey we'll take with this. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we're out. See you later.